Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shamsa Fazal from Peshawar Model Schools. Dear students, hope you all are fine. Today which topic I'm going to explain, it is taken from your computer course of grade 6. Dear students, today our topic is font and our objective is students will be able to learn about MS Excel's font. Before going to start our topic, let's have a look on previous knowledge. Dear students, as I have explained in my previous video, Home tab is used to perform common commands. Under the Home tab we have 7 commands, and in this video I am going to explain the second command of Home tab, that is font. Now let's see what is font. This option is used to change the font style and font size. We make it bold, italic and underline. Also this group contains border style, fill color and font color. Dear students, now let's apply all the commands of font on the given data. Now let's see how to change the font size. So first of all, select the cell or cell range you want to modify. Now drag your mouse without lifting your finger from the mouse button. Select the cell range. On the Home tab, by using the mouse, right click on the drop down arrow next to the font size command, then select the desired font size. Here I am going to select 16, so the text will be changed to the selected font size. Or you people can also use the increase font size and decrease font size commands. Dear students, with the help of these commands, you people can directly increase or decrease your font size. Like I am going to increase the font size and here I am going to decrease the font size. Now let's see how to change the font. So this is the font and now we are going to change it. Select the cells you want to modify. So dear students, let's select the cells. Drag your mouse without lifting your finger from the mouse button. Select the cell range you want to modify. Now on the Home tab, right click the drop down arrow next to the font command, then select the desired font. So here I'm going to select this. The text will change to the selected font. Now let's see how to change the font color. So on the Home tab, with the help of the mouse, click on the drop down arrow next to the font color command. Now select the color, desired color. So here I am going to select green. So the text will change to the selected font color. So now let's see how to use bold, italic and underline commands. Drag your mouse without lifting your finger from the mouse button. Select the cell range you want to modify. So by using mouse, click on the bold, italic or underline command on the Home tab. In our example, we will make the selected cell bold. So now the selected style will be applied to the text. You can also press Ctrl+B on your keyboard to make selected text bold, Ctrl+I to apply italics and Ctrl+U to apply an underline. Now let's move towards cell borders and fill colors. Cell borders and fill colors allows you to create clear and defined boundaries for different sections of your worksheet. Now drag your mouse without lifting your finger from your mouse button. select the cell range you want to modify. Now on the Home tab, by using your mouse, right click on the drop down arrow next to the fill color command, then select the fill color you want to use. Here I'm going to select this one, and now the selected fill color will appear in the selected cells. Now let's see how to add a border. So select the cell range. Now on the Home tab, by using your mouse, click the drop down, right click on the drop down arrow next to the border command and select the border style you want to use. So here I'm going to use all borders. The selected border style will appear. So dear students, today we learn about font. This option is used to change the font style and font size. We can make it bold, italic and underline. Also this script contains border styles, fill color and font colors. So take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.